Mazu will be a carefree lion cub. He will love to jump over rocks, but he will always jump without looking. One time he will jump without looking and will land on some thorns. How painful! Another time he will jump without looking and will land on a beehive. The bees will not be happy. Once he will jump without looking and will almost fall off a cliff. How dangerous! He will never learn from his mistakes. That will be a problem. One day Mazu will jump without looking and will land in quicksand. How horrible! He will try to escape, but it will be too late. He will be stuck. That's when Silas, the cunning python, will appear from behind the rocks and whisper, "I see you're in a bit of trouble, Mazu. Help me, please." Mazu will cry as he sinks deeper and deeper. "I can help you," Silas will say with a deceitful smile. "But one day you will need to do me a favor." Mazu will hesitate. He will know that Silas is a malicious python, but he will have no choice. "I agree," he will say. Silas will wrap her long body around Mazu and slowly raise him out of the quicksand. Then Silas will squeeze Mazu tightly and give him the evil eye. "Don't forget, Mazu," she will whisper. "You owe me." Mazu will breathe a sigh of relief as Silas slithers away. He will realize that his carelessness put him in danger and in Silas's debt. From that day on, Mazu will look before he jumps. He will learn an important lesson that day. When we make mistakes, we should take a moment and think carefully about the consequences before we happily move on. It might one day save your life. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com